Do what? Oh.
It's, yeah, it's actually going to be less than a minute now. Cool.
Well, I'll stand back a little bit, man.
Yeah, it's just going to swing.
Here we go. Are you recording that?
Yeah.
Will you be able to send that to me?
Yeah.
Get a picture of me in
That's
there.
kind of uneventful, huh?
Pulling it?
Open it up. We'll try to
Turn the throttle advance on.
Hang on, man. Hey, just open it up. We're going to try to push it in there. Watch the bait. Yeah, I don't even know. Hey, we need to do the trailer up.
Hey, while we pimp, hey, we're gonna put. Hang on.
Now do it. Now you go.
Facebook. Tag me.